Welcome to Roshni Computer Services. My name is Deepak Shah. I am from Roshni Computer Services and we have been doing training since 1987-88. It is almost 32 years now. Autodesk has started their operation in 1982 in San Rafael, California. Mr. John Walker is the one who has started this company. And they are the first company to bring the CAD software on a PC platform. So now you will ask me what is the difference between CAD and AutoCAD. So CAD is a generic word. It is called computer aided design. And AutoCAD is a CAD software developed by a company called Autodesk. Autodesk is a multinational company. And the first version came in the market in a PC platform in 1982. And since then, I am associated with this Autodesk. AutoCAD has a software available in the area of civil engineering, mechanical engineering, architectural, structural, piping, plant, equipment, mold, plastic, and many other engineering fields. It is said that if God has not created anything, then Autodesk is involved somewhere down the line in creating that object. Means, if you talk about any building or if you talk about any furniture component or machinery, maybe Autodesk is involved in preparing a drawing for that, and not for that building, maybe the machinery used in creating the material which is used in the building, that is being used by Autodesk product. AutoCAD is a very generic term. It is a very popular product. So any new product which comes in the market, they always make sure that anybody who can operate on AutoCAD should be able to operate my software. Then only my software become popular. And that's why we are studying the AutoCAD. If you learn AutoCAD, you are ensured that any new software which come in the market, you should be able to operate on that. AutoCAD, see, it is something like this, that you know how to drive one two-wheeler vehicle or maybe a four-wheeler vehicle. Do you think that anybody who comes in the market, or new two-wheeler or new four-wheeler which comes in the market, you require to relearn the driving skill? No. It is always ensured that people who are able to drive four-wheeler today should be able to drive a new four-wheeler which comes in the market. And if that is not the case, people will not buy that four-wheeler. And that's why if you learn AutoCAD, you are ensured that you are able to operate on majority of the 2D drafting software available in the market. Today, it has become very essential to send the drawing through mails. And that's why nobody prepares drawings on a piece of paper. Everybody converts that drawing from a piece of paper to a digital form, and that is basically the media which is being used to send the drawing. And that is basically how Autodesk is becoming popular day by day. In fact, you will not find a single organization where AutoCAD is not being used. You may see that there are many 3D modeling software coming in the market. Maybe Inventor, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, Unigraphics, CATIA, Anvil, ProSolid. There are a number of softwares available. But anybody who makes a 3D model, ultimately when it comes to preparing a drawing, because printing device is only a two-dimensional. You take a drawing or you print a drawing on a piece of paper. Your paper is a two-dimensional. So all the 3D models basically require to convert that drawing into a two-dimensional drawing, and that is basically in AutoCAD. And then from there you take a printout on a piece of paper. So that's why. And one more thing, you may find some organization using Inventor, some organization using SolidWorks, some organization using Revit, some organization using different product. But everybody is using, as long as 2D is involved, everybody is using AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is basically, see, it is something like this, that any engineer, if you go and ask him, are you able to use a calculator? Obviously yes. Do you write on your resume that I am able to operate a scientific calculator? No, because everybody understand that as an engineer, calculator is something you should know. And similarly, if you are an engineer or if you are in an engineering professional, you must know how to operate AutoCAD or a product similar to AutoCAD. AutoCAD is basically something which is very important, and I am very glad that you are here to learn AutoCAD. In our institute, we ensure that people learn the software till they learn the software to a great expertise. And I wish that you also reach to that expertise. Thank you.